Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple PC tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of your mouse wheel. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your search option here. Now here type control panel and click it here. And now on top of you can see view by. Here is selected category. Just select here and select large icons, and here you have to find the mouse option. This is the mouse option. Now click that mouse option here, and this is the mouse option. Now we need to fix a few things. First of all, check this one, the speed one. If this cursor is closer to the slow one, just make it closer to the first one. Mine is closer to the fast, so that is not an issue. Now go to wheel option here, and here you can see the option vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling. And if your wheel if you have trouble with your wheel, just you have to change this number between 5 to 7. I'm gonna select it 5 and also select it 5, and now just apply and click OK. And you can test it by using your wheel. If this is satisfied, if you are satisfied with this process, just keep it. Otherwise, just change it to a different number like 6 or 7, and keep checking if it's your liking or not. But mine is good in 3, so I'm gonna keep it the default one. And in this way you can fix your wheel problems. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.